Hello everybody. Before we start, I'm not really too good in intros. So before we start, I want to thank you guys so much. I literally got 14 subscribers. Like I had 13 subscribers just last week I think. And then when I was about to make a video, I guess that video got deleted by mistake. So that's why I uploaded a bit late. But since then to now, I got 14 subscribers in just 11 videos. I don't even have that many videos. So yeah, I changed my name by the way, so don't search for scripted coder. I changed it a lot of times. First it was need to get coding, very bad name. Then it was just code it out, which I don't know what it even means. Then was scripted coder, which was actually pretty good, but Vihan the coder I think is better. Not really, but yeah. So thank you for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, this video has got 151 views. That's a lot. Yeah, please start commenting on my videos because that would be even better. But yeah, thank you a lot. Yeah, so what we are going to make in this video is audio search. And yeah, do you know what audio search is? Well, let me tell you, even if you don't know, or even if you know, let me tell you again. So audio search is basically like I record something, it saves the audio, and then I can search for any word in what I have said in the recording. Oh, wait. This is the wrong project. Let me open the viewer version. Yeah. So it basically just tells me how many times I have said that word in the recording. So words won't make you believe it. So let me just show you a quick demo. So first there is a record button. Here is how many times you have said 0 equals to not a number, and this is null because I haven't recorded anything. So if I click on record, wait, let me just exit full screen. What should we say? Length, let's make it 7 seconds. Subscribe to Vihan the Coder. Subscribe. Yeah. Now let's name the recording 1. Why did it not convert it to text? Okay, after a few minutes I finally got it to work. I'm so sorry, but let's try this again. Subscribe to Vihan the Coder. Subscribe. Let's name the recording 2 because it's try 2. And now let's click on train. And now let's make sure that our volume is all the way up. Yeah. So now let's click on train. Subscribe to Vihan the Coder. Subscribe. Alright. Yeah. Now what did it take? Subscribe to Behind the Coder. Okay, yeah, the speech to text I guess sucks, but at least it took the subscribe words and the coder. So let's just change it. So recording. Now let's pick a word from this. Let's pick subscribe. So let's first count how many times we have said subscribe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, now if I click on search, Subscribe! Okay. Oh, I counted it wrong. I said it 12 times. So yeah, it tells how many times you have said a certain word. So I'm going to be telling you exactly how you can make this by yourself. So let me click on new. Yeah. So these are the extensions you need. You need dictation. All the links will be in the description, hopefully, if I remember to put them. So first we are going to delete this sprite. Let's name the sprite engine. Now let's paint a new sprite. First let me backpack those sprites. Epic montage starts now. Those sprites are backpacked. Now let's release them. Record, search and train. Now let's remove all the code. Alright, so let's start with coding. So let's first create a background, whatever. Do we have it? No. Let's do it again. Okay, we backpack the background. Cool. Now we need the variables. So the first variable would be how it would be HMTYHS, means how many times you have said. Now let's make it, and now when green flag clicked, set to how many times you have said. Yeah. Now let's convert it to a large read about. So how many times you have said. Now let's make a new variable. Let's name it search input. Now let's make a new variable. Let's name it equals. What is this? Yeah. Now let's set equal to equal. Now let's make a new variable named number. Now let's make another new variable. Now let's first set this to NaN. Now let's see. Okay, it resets all the variables. Now let's make another new variable, recording. We have been doing this from from a long time. Yeah, let's put recording over there, because for long recording we can't fit it in full screen mode. So now let's start with the actual coding. Wait, let's put this in engine and remove it from stage. Yeah. Now for record, when green flag clicked, forever, if then, and touching mouse pointer and mouse down, mouse click or mouse down? Mouse down. Let's record. What do we record? Yeah, oh sorry. Let's start recording. No. First we'll ask. Wait. Yeah. So first we'll ask, what should be the length of your recording? Let's change length to duration because that is a more suitable word, I think. Duration. Yeah. Let's add a question mark because we need to make it feel more professional. Then let's start recording. No. Yeah. Record for answer seconds. No. Let's make another new variable. Let's name it duration. Now let's set duration. Let's set duration to answer. Yeah. So now we are going to record for duration seconds, and then we are going to save recording. Wait, let's paint a new sprite. Let's name it recordings. And now, wait, no, let's delete that sprite, we don't need it. Yeah, now let's save recording to engine. No, now let's ask another thing. Name your recording. Now let's save recording to engine named, let's make a new variable, recording name. Let's hide it as well. Now let's set named recording name. Yeah. Now let's go to search, train. And now when green flag clicked, forever. Let's just drag the code in here. Remove all this. Yeah. So now we are going to ask something. Let's ask, which recording do you want to train on? Now let's broadcast a message which is train. Now let's go to engine, and now when I receive train, let's replicate this twice. Let's recognize speech and wait. Actually, wait. No. Yeah, so first we are going to ask another thing, which would be, which recording. Wait, why did we ask it here? Yeah, let's remove that. Yeah, so which recording do you want to train on? Now we are going to play sound and answer. And now we are going to broadcast. Start. Now let's hide the engine. Start. Training. Yeah. So now when I receive start training, let's recognize speech and wait. And now let's set recording. Now let's set recording to last recognized speech. Now let's go to search and drag this code in here as well. Now broadcast search instead of train, because we don't need to train twice. And now when I receive search, let's recognize speech and wait, and then set search input to last recognized speech, and then let's now let's set number to counter plus plus count search input put in recording. Yeah, that's how to make audio search, and let's test it now. So first, oh wait, I forgot something. Yeah, now let's set the recording. Yeah, now let's click on record. Oh, I forgot to add the hover effect. Okay, let's code it. It's pretty simple. If then if touching mouse pointer, switch costume to costume 2, else costume 1. Let's drag this in every sprite. Now it should work. Yeah, the hover effect is there now. Now let's test this for real. Oh, okay, this is wrong. We don't need to ask it over here. No, we need to broadcast a message, which would be record. And now let's drag this into engine and remove this. Now when I receive record, then let's test this again. What should be the duration of the recording, of your recording? Let's get it 7. Let's remove all sounds from engine. Okay, there are none. And yeah, another thing, we are going to clear recording first. Yeah, let's try this again. 7. Hello, subscribe to Vihan the Coder. Hello, subscribe. Now let's name our recording 3. Now let's okay, I get it now. You need to stop recording after it. It's still recording. Stop recording. Okay, fine. Just stop. Oh my god, why is it recording? Yeah. Oh no. What should we do? Let's upload this project, should we? Yeah, we'll delete it later on so that we have the link still. Let's upload it. Yeah, now that it's uploaded, let's copy this, remove all this. Let's refresh this site. Let's see inside. Yeah. What? Yeah. So now we can stop recording after this. First, let's delete this. My stuff. Yeah. Let's remove this. 326203. Yeah, fine. Now let's, yeah, what is this? Yeah, now let's stop recording after recording for duration seconds. I hope this works. 7. Hello, subscribe to Vihan the Coder, subscribe, hello, subscribe. Let's name our recording, try number 4. Now we need to train. Hello, subscribe to Vihan the Coder, subscribe, hello, subscribe. What the hell? Oh no. Yeah, so we need to broadcast it before that. Yeah. Now let's test this again. 7. Hello, subscribe to Vihan the Coder. Hello, subscribe. Now let's try number 5. I hope it works. Let's train on number 5. What? Yeah. Hello, subscribe to Vihan the Coder, subscribe, hello, subscribe. Yeah, it still cannot fit this in the variable, so yeah. So hello, subscribe. All it took is subscribe, hello. Okay, first let's count subscribe in it. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 times, right? Now let's click on search. Subscribe! Yeah. Okay. Okay, it's actually counting how many times I've said it. Now let's count hello. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Hello! Oh yeah, it's working. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it was informative, and I didn't know that this was possible in Penguinmod. Yeah. Now I think you should leave and stop staring at my face. Yeah. Okay, thank you for staying so long, and thank you so much for 14 subscribers. That's so good. And bye. For real this time.